that tonight was going to be acoustic, and got over the sheer terror, we decided to adapt one of the new songs. So it's a song called Believe, and it's quite a noisy one. So we thought, play around with that and see if we can do a version of it. So
Good luck.
yeah, so good luck to us. This is me like excusing any blips.
Has anybody got the new album? Cool. Anyone? That's great.
Don't worry though, because we've got loads. We've got like a whole suitcase.
It's true.
And if you don't want the music, that's fine, because we've got tea towels for sale. And then you might need a bag to put the tea towel in, but that's okay, because we've got tote bags. And they fit hoodies in them as well, don't they? So it works all around really.
Okay.
That night, accepting he was in your sight. Now you're bound to hear your demon song will shine. So why? This recklessness is ruining my sight. I refuse to lose my vision and my fight. Let me tell you, love so holy and divine, that your happiness is intertwined with mine. You know, so go and show your world. Believe, see all that you've achieved. This door has been beneath us when we couldn't open doors, held our bodies when our minds could take no more. Now I see you as I never did before. You know, so go and show your world. Believe, see all that you've achieved. You know, so go and show your world. Believe, see all that you've achieved. You can't fake what it takes this time. You can't fake what it takes this time. You can't fake what it takes this time. You can't fake